Is millet better than rice? Millet versus rice. Today you are going to unravel the mystery behind two dietary heavyweights, millet and rice. They both hold a special place in our culinary world, but which one deserves the spotlight on your plate? We decode the nutritional and culinary aspects of millet and rice, helping you make an informed choice for your meals. Millet and rice are both staple grains consumed globally, each offering distinct nutritional profiles and culinary characteristics. Here's a comparison between millet and rice. Nutritional content. Millet is a whole grain that comes in various types, such as pearl millet, finger millet, and foxtail millet. It is a good source of fiber, B vitamins, magnesium, and antioxidants. Millet is gluten-free, making it suitable for those with gluten sensitivities. Rice is a staple food for a large part of the world's population. Brown rice, in particular, is a whole grain that contains more fiber, vitamins, and minerals compared to white rice. Brown rice retains the bran and germ layers, providing more nutrients. White rice, on the other hand, is refined, resulting in a loss of some nutrients but a longer shelf life. Macronutrients. Rice is primarily a source of carbohydrates. Brown rice, the whole grain version, also provides fiber, protein, and essential nutrients like magnesium and B vitamins. White rice, while still a good source of energy, lacks the fiber and some nutrients found in brown rice. Millet, on the other hand, contains a more balanced macronutrient profile. It is higher in protein compared to rice and provides complex carbohydrates, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates. Millet is considered a low glycemic index (GI) food, which means it has a slower impact on blood sugar levels. This characteristic can be beneficial for those managing diabetes or looking to regulate blood sugar. Both brown and white rice are high in carbohydrates. Brown rice, being a whole grain, has a slightly lower GI compared to white rice. However, both can be part of a healthy diet when consumed in moderation. Protein content. Millet contains a higher protein content compared to rice. It is particularly rich in essential amino acids, making it a good plant-based protein source. While rice contains some protein, it is not as protein-dense as millet. Brown rice has slightly more protein than white rice due to its intact bran and germ layers. Culinary use. Millet has a mild, slightly nutty flavor and a light, fluffy texture when cooked. It is versatile and can be used in both sweet and savory dishes, such as porridge, pilafs, and baked goods. Rice is a versatile grain commonly used as a side dish, in main courses, or as an ingredient in various cuisines globally. It serves as a neutral base for a wide range of dishes. In summary, both millet and rice have their nutritional merits and can be part of a balanced diet. The choice between them may depend on individual dietary preferences, nutritional needs, and culinary preferences.